Hello everyone, it's Han here at catcancode.com. In this video, I'm gonna unbox the tune-free 2.5 inches SATA USB 3.0 enclosure from Simplecon. The brand is Simplecon and the case is transparent. And I also try to fit in a Samsung SSD 250GB A50 Pro. Okay, very small, very light. I'm gonna use this with this Simplecon and turn it into an external hard drive, a fast one. Let's open this box. Okay, Simplecon. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, something in here. Oh, sorry. Thing. Try to put it back here. Okay. Sorry for that. Okay, put this away. So Simplecon, then a faster. Okay, USB 3.0 compatible with 7mm and 9mm laptop 2.5 inches SATA HDD SSD USB 3.0 interface, easy installation, plug and play, hot swapping, no additional driver needed, and you don't need any tool to put the hard drive in. So in this box we have just a warranty paper, instruction. So here we need to open the enclosure. We apply the anti-vibration foam part to the inner end of the enclosure. So this is the foam part to apply to the end of the enclosure, and then we just plug the SSD in carefully, and then slide the top cover back. Okay, we have in here the case look pretty nice, transparent, quite steady, and I think my Samsung SSD will look very good inside this Simplecon. Okay, let me open it up. Should be simple. Yep, here we go. And I need to apply the foam part to the bottom of the drive. There we go. Okay, looking good. Okay, now I'm gonna slide the Samsung SSD in. This is simple, straightforward. Yeah, it fit in perfectly, and the back of the driver rests on the front part here, so kind of safe, and can prevent some kind of sudden movement. Yep, just to add some suspensions to the driver. And now I just need to push this thing back. Sliding from the bottom to the top. Okay, here we go. This is the Samsung SSD A50 Pro 256GB has been fit into the Simplecon transparent SE101 enclosure. And here's the USB 3.0 cable that come with the enclosure. Just to put it in to finalize. Oh, it's really hard to open this. What? Okay, so this is USB 3.0. So fit into the computer just fine here, and then the other one gonna go into this part. Okay, just fit in perfectly. Okay, thank you for watching, guys.